Hey everybody, this is Jaleel. I'm going to show you real quick how you can leverage Facebook Messenger bots to automate scheduling appointments. So I'm going to show you using my own bot, and it's going to be really cool. It's an easy way to get people to sign up. So upon clicking on the link, I'm just going to hit get started. And as you can see, the bot's messaging. It's saying, "Hey, thanks for messaging us. We'll be as responsive as possible. Hey, thanks. Use this button to set an appointment." So we're going to click request an appointment. And you can see my CRM is actually picking up on information in the background, which is cool. We're storing information as it comes in. So it says select the date and time that fits you best. They've got two options, right? They can either skip this and let me choose the time, or they can select a date and time. So let's go ahead and select a date and time here. All right, good. So let's say tomorrow at noon works great for me. Okay, and then here it is. The bot comes back and says, "Hey, listen, here are the details. Tuesday, April 21st at noon. There's your phone number. Let's confirm that appointment." And boom, there it is. So now this messaging you're seeing to me comes to me in Messenger and lets me know that I just scheduled an appointment with me for tomorrow at noon. So, and then of course, the end user will see you've successfully submitted your request. We'll get in touch with you shortly. So, with that note, it's always good practice to go back in and, just give them a call or email or do both and just confirm the meeting, which will help you out a ton. So I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to set up a bot like this in your business, just go ahead and let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out with that. All right. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.